Hi guys, I'm Divanshu from Team Scrapingdog. In this video, we have created a Google Autocomplete content suggestion brief. So what this scenario does is it takes a keyword from your Google Sheet, or you could give it any other way. So it is one of the input of our Google Autocomplete API from Scrapingdog. And what does it do is it gets you all the keywords related to that sheet keyword which people might be asking for, and therefore it shows in the Google auto suggestions. So yeah, this is what this whole automation does. We are taking our seed keyword in the Google sheet, and over here we are using our scraping dog Google autocomplete API. Here is this this is the endpoint of our Google autocomplete API. It takes keyword from our Google sheet. uh, we have this module before, so and then we parse the response. Then we iterate over all the suggested keywords, and over here we are aggregating them into one. So I am using row separator in the advanced setting of text aggregator, and separating each keyword by comma and space. So so that is, we get a text string of all the keywords. Then in this module, I am giving all of these keywords and asking to arrange them in clusters. So this is one of the sample I have given to this AI module to tell it how to create the response in JSON format. I have enabled JSON here, and the output in the prompt, I have also told this module to get the output in JSON format. I'm using OpenAI 4.0 model, and then again we are parsing this JSON response coming out of this API, iterating over them. Here we are creating content brief of those clusters. So those clusters may have 2 to 3 keywords each, and each of them is getting prepared into a content brief that our content writer can use uh, as a summary of what he she needs to be preparing for his next topic. Here we creating, again we are using an OpenAI 4.0 model, and using Open Router for that. So here we are creating the headline of our each content we are preparing. So I'm giving this AI module the cluster name keywords and preparing a headline. We will use this headline in our content brief as well as in our next module, wherein we'll create an image. So from this headline, we are parsing the JSON response, then giving it to a templated. It is an API for image generation. We are generating an image also. So in our and the next module is our Google Doc module, where we are saving all the contents in this Google Drive. So I'll run this scenario, and we'll see what response it gets us. So it ran from the next row. I'll run it from the only row I have. So I have to select this again. Yeah, I'll pause this video until this scenario runs, and I'll come back when this scenario completes. So while running the scenario, this scenario didn't run successfully because the API key I have changed. So I'll select my own API keys, and then we'll run the scenario again. Again, I'll select from where the scenario would run, because we have one keyword only. The scenario is set to run on next row every time it runs, so it is not catching the keyword because it runs for this row, since this row was already ran in the previous scenario. So I'll run this again, and this time again I'll pause this video and come back when the scenario gets complete. So yeah, our scenario get completed. We have created 5 documents, meaning 5 clusters were created. All those will get in here. I'll refresh. Yeah, so I get 5 contents. So these would be the content briefs you would be receiving, wherein the AI mentions the objective of this blog, the target audience you should target, key points you should cover, the tone you should keep, and everything important related to uh, writing a blog post. So if you're watching this video on YouTube or LinkedIn, I'll link to my blog where I have this blueprint, and you can download the blueprint and use it as is. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.